The odorous house ant is an ant species native to the United States. True to their name, they emit a foul odor when killed or attacked. They regularly enter houses in search of food and can nest in large numbers, so it's important to perform proper odorous house ant control. If you'd like to shop the professional pest products in this video and learn even more about odorous house ant control, click the card on the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. The odorous house ant looks very similar to average ants. They're typically between a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch long, and they'll be a dark brown or black color. What sets them apart from other ants is the smell they release. When attacked, they release an unpleasant odor, similar to the smell of rotten coconuts. Outside, you can find odorous house ants under rocks, under flower pots, inside mulch, soil, leaf litter, or around garbage cans. Inside, they can be found in wall voids near plumbing, around water heaters, under sinks, around toilets, or in or around appliances. To get control of odorous house ants, first find where they're nesting by watching for ant foraging trails. These trails will lead you to their nest. Then start outside with Reclaim IT. This is a powerful liquid concentrate that is a repellent and offers a quick knockdown and long residual. Reclaim IT will not only control ants, but many different pests. Use this with a pump-up sprayer following label instructions. Spray ant nest and activity such as on patios, in flower beds, in mulch beds, around landscaping rocks, or near yard structures. Also use Reclaim IT to create insecticide barriers by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out, and by spraying around windows and doors. Next, use Defense Dust. This is a waterproof insecticidal dust that's great for applications to hard-to-reach areas. Like Reclaim IT, Defense Dust will control a variety of pests. Use Defense with a duster and dust inside wall voids, under appliances, and entry points like weep holes, or where pipes penetrate the walls. Finally, use Antrax ant gel bait inside. Antrax is a sweet gel bait that comes in a syringe for easy application and has been tested to be one of the most effective baits available. Odorous house ants love sweet food, preferring sugary snacks over any other, so a sweet gel bait like Antrax can be very effective. Apply Antrax in locations where ant activity is common, such as kitchens, near appliances, near baseboards, and entry points. When baiting, be sure to remove any competing food sources by storing food in airtight containers or picking up pet food. Prevent odorous house ants from returning by continuing to eliminate food sources in your home. Clean countertops, sweep, and vacuum frequently. Remove water sources by fixing any leaky plumbing. Remove yard debris and trim vegetation back from the house. Seal up any cracks and crevices. And be sure to spray follow-up applications of Reclaim IT every 3 months for continued protection. Having an odorous house ant infestation can stink, literally, but you can control them yourself with these professional products, equipment, and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. We guarantee these products will get rid of your odorous house ant problem, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Click the links in the description below to visit our website and get your products today. If you like this how-to guide and when the products work for you, please share. If you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.